can see what a shark have now in the grocery. Me not got no saltfish. But me have me mackerel and me have me corn pork. All those people what say them can't cook ackee. A joke them a joke. Ackee no partial. You just catch it up and base it down with the 2 tomatoes and you lick a scallion and lick a black pepper. Then you introduce now the country pepper into the argument and you're going clear. You know what? I better tell Puncie about it. Puncie?
Yes, sir.
Puncie, come here please, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Oliver, sir.
Puncie, you can't say morning. Eh? Where your manners? How much times must I tell you that when you're seeing somebody for the first time, you say morning or evening as the case may be?
Lord, me did forget, sir. Good morning as the case may be.
As the case may be? How that come in it?
But no, that's you just tell me a while back, say that me say, sir. Good morning or good evening as the case may be.
You know, if it wasn't so simple, I would think you're taking liberty. But that's not possible. Your intellect is very limited. And your head cup small and your skull thick. How much time I must show you and point out to you that in business you can't operate so. Every time I try with you, I saw you feel.
Me no feel at all, you know, Mr. Oliver. Me have me 2 subjects and me have me paper to prove it. And furthermore, you know, sir, you see when me did come here to work with you, you tell me say me would be your administrative assistant. And now look where me I do, sir, care waiter, serve ice water and them kind of things. Yeah. And it's 2 subjects me have, 2 hours.
Can you getting ferocious? You're losing respect. You're back answering me back. I wonder if you don't know where you are, Me
don't like how you have to anger me, you know, Mr. Oliver. Me somebody to you know, sir.
I have a great mind to terminate your service right there.
Terminate, you mean, sir? You mean like fire me? Well, give me 2 weeks pay right now, let me go back to my country, you know, sir. Oh.
Puncie, go back to your country. This is your country, girl. You don't have nowhere else to go.
Well, we go somewhere else, sir. So if it's fire me and done, let me go about my business.
Puncie, if I fire you, you're a surprise. Because you know, and me know, that you don't mean what you say. So just cool your foot. Your mother apprenticed you out to me so that you can learn I commerce and industry. And it's true she's my sister, and you is me own of flesh and blood, what we call niece. I'm going to pretend that I didn't hear the impertinence and the faciness what you go on with a while ago. So now, miss, if you is ready for work, come and watch me what I'm doing, and come let me show you what I'm doing. And please to pay attention, miss. I tell you all the while, in business, you can't do business fenke. You have to look people in the eye, stand up straight and communicate. No, I don't want to have to tell you that one more time. Now get me the menu board, man.
Wait there, sir.
Now which part it's supposed to dip on, see? Look side of the till near to the rum buckle, the beer rum buckle. No, you know, did that today. Look side of the exercise book there.
You know, there, sir.
How you mean say it not dead? If I say it dead, it have to dead.
It's in your hand, sir.
In my hand? How it's in my hand?
Because you use your finger then pick it up.
Then Puncie, why you never tell me that all along, I tell you all the while that in business you have to be on the ball. Keep your brains in your hand, in your head. Stand up on your foot. Put the matter in hand.
You better make case, you know, so the rice are born.
The rice are born. How you mean say the rice are born?
You don't smell it. The rice are born, me tell you, sir.
Then how come you cook rice so early in the morning?
Because you tell me to do it. You say, Puncie, early bird catch the first worm. That is why you tell me, you know, Mr. Oliver. And then you say, Puncie, make a early start. Early start bring profit. That is what you say, sir.
Of course that is what me say. Me no need you to tell me what me say.
And then you tell me, say, make a early start today. Cook the rice for lunch from soon o'clock. And the rice, me was a cook when you send come call me. I see then now the rice are born.
So now that the rice are done, what are you going to do about it?
Well,
what
sir,
you going to do about it?
Let me tell you something, sir. If me was in the kitchen, me would have drawn the fire. But since that's how me not in the kitchen, since that's how you send come call me, well then the rice are burn.
Damn bite me today if you make the rice the burn, you know, Puncie. You play with fire, you know, girl. Go and go turn down the fire and don't make the rice burn.
It don't make no sense that the rice done burn already.
Puncie, don't make hell hot in ya. Go on, move it. Lord have his mercy. The whole of my profit burn down now. The whole of my profit gone. My profit margin small already and the girl in there burn it down. And when so much smoke that come from Puncie, you not have burn up the rice yet. Puncie. How come so much smoke come out of the kitchen? Puncie, tap burn up the rice.
You can't scrape it off,
Me nah go in there. And you know why me nah go in there? Because if I go in there, I'm going to lose my temper today. And I don't want to lose my temper. I lose my money already. And I don't want to have to lose my temper. So Puncie, if you know what me know, you know. You clean up the place before me come in at the kitchen, you know. How?
Oh, be dead now. You can't repeat it now.
Dead? You're not dead yet. You see, if I come in the kitchen, the girl, at that time you are not dead for you. Puncie, you are reduced my profit margin, you know. And my bankers, them not going to like it. Puncie, please to stop the cow balling in the place, no man. Stop your cow balling. The customers, them soon come to lunch now. And what me have to serve them? What me have to serve them? Burn up rice. Puncie, how much rice you did cook?
1 bag, sir.
Me no hear you.
Mr. 1 bag, sir.
So at 25 pound of rice you burn up, Puncie. It's a whole heap of rice that you know, girl. It's where you want, Puncie. It's bankrupt, you want me to bankrupt. You want me to go workhouse, poorhouse or harm's house? So at the whole of me profit you want to picture. Just ease it up. Puncie, me in a business in me health, you know. And you know, he in the fear good look neither. Come on your fear. Come on your fear.
Hello, please. Anybody there?
Yes, what is it?
You have anything that can full pothole?
Pothole? Listen, man. This is not public works, you know.
A pity. My boss tell me to come get anything that can deal with pothole because him have this big one outside and gate. Him car drop in it last week. I'll know them to find the car yet.
But the pothole, they must be well big or your boss car small.
Well, him give $500 to come find anything that can deal with the pothole, but because you know I have nothing to say, alright?
Hold on there. Then you're not going?
Hey, you have something that can deal with
$500. Just wait there right the door move. Don't say. If you're like, when you go past out the bun of rice, 13 and the sink gas. But the whole life, you know. Alright, that's enough. Aye. Your boss in luck. My scientist just done finish make that.
Scientist? Oh, you're easy.
Yes, man. My scientist is most bad back at the science business, you know. Take for example now, this pothole filler here. When me sell it for a mere $500. Is him latest invention.
So, it good?
If it good, see master. The thing is so good that if you're not mind sharp, it full up all when you're supposed to full up.
So what is name?
Anyhow. Yes,